In a bid to balance sustainability with growth, Spain is planning to reduce the number of British holidaymakers visiting its popular islands. In this video, we talk about the local governments in Spain attempting to lessen their reliance on British tourists. But first, we want to thank you for joining us. Find us on all the other social media channels. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click that bell to get notified when we release a new video. We also appreciate your likes and comments below, as it helps to support our channel. Oh, and don't forget to check out our website at immigrationandmigration.com. This video is brought to you by IAM. We believe that travel improves and inspires you and the people around you. We help you travel by providing services which overcome barriers and frameworks that simplify and enrich your experience. We just happen to be immigration lawyers. So reach out to your IAM visa coordinator when you're ready for your adventure, or already on one, and would like some assistance. Spain has always been a preferred holiday destination for British tourists. Every year, Spain records millions of British people visiting the country to enjoy the white sandy beaches, culture, cuisine, and festivities. It has been reported that Lanzarote's local government intends to restrict the number of visitors from the United Kingdom after declaring itself a tourist-saturated area. The island has become an established vacation destination for British tourists, but the local government has stated that it wants to lessen its reliance on the British market. The local government claims close to 16.5 million visitors arrived in Lanzarote last year, and this will be the absolute ceiling for the foreseeable future, with the president of the Lanzarote Council, Dolores Corjo, declaring overcrowding is an imminent threat to the island. The local government has yet to finalize the details of the proposed plan, but discussions among locals, business owners, and ecologists have already taken place, and agreed the island is saturated, and something needs to be done to remedy this. The issue of limiting the number of British tourists in Spain is not new. The country has been taking control measures for several years. Not only Lanzarote, but other popular tourist destinations in the nation intend to lessen their dependence on British tourists. The Balearic Islands, which include Mallorca, Menorca, and Ibiza, have also started preparing to limit the number of British visitors. The islands have long been popular destinations for so-called party tourism, but local Spanish officials implemented strict new guidelines last year to crack down on inebriated tourists. Ibiza, in particular, is looking to shed its image as a drunken party destination. As a result, several all-inclusive resorts in Magaluf, El Arenal, and Ibiza implemented alcohol drink restrictions, happy hours, pub crawls, 2-for-1 drink promotions, and the sale of alcohol in shops between 9:30 p.m. and 8 a.m. were all prohibited. One of the main concerns about tourism in Spain is its impact on the environment. Spain has some of the most beautiful and ecologically diverse landscapes in Europe, but they are also fragile and vulnerable to damage from mass tourism. Overcrowding, pollution, and unsustainable development have been identified as major threats to Spain's natural resources and wildlife. Overuse of resources and infrastructure, including water, energy, and transportation, can also be a problem. What are your thoughts on limiting the number of tourists for sustainable tourism? Talk to us in the comment section below. If you have plans to travel, check out the deals we have found in the description box below. If you need assistance with a visa to Europe, the UK, or the US, including help with securing your travel arrangements, IAM can help. For visa advice, contact your IAM visa coordinator. If you'd like to get more info on travel, visas, immigration, and citizenship, head over to immigrationandmigration.com for more free content. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for more travel and visa updates.